Hello guys, our today topic is screw gauge. A screw gauge is an instrument that is used to measure small length with accuracy greater than a vernier caliper. It is also called a micrometer screw gauge. A simple screw gauge consists of a U-shaped metal frame with a metal stud at its one end as shown in the figure 1.9. A hollow cylinder or sleeve has a millimeter scale over it along a line scale index line parallel to its axis. The hollow cylinder acts as a nut. It is fixed at the end of U-shaped frame opposite to the stud. A thimble has a threaded spindle inside it. As the thimble completes one rotation, the spindle moves 1 millimeter along the index line. It is because the distance between consecutive threads on the spindle is 1 millimeter. The distance is called the pitch of screw on the spindle. This is the shape of screw gauge. Stud, spindle, lock, main scale, circular scale, ratchet, below, thimble, hollow cylinder or sleeve, index line, then also below metal frame, a micrometer screw gauge. The thimble has 100 divisions around its own end. It is the circular scale of the screw gauge. As thimble completes one rotation, 100 divides past the index line and the thimble moves 1 millimeter along the main scale. Thus, each division of circular scale crossing the index line moves to the thimble through 1 divided by 100 millimeter or 0.01 millimeter on the main scale. Least count of a screw gauge can also be found as given below. Least count is equal to pitch of the screw gauge divided by number of division on the circular scale. One millimeter divided by 100 is equal to 0.01 millimeter is equal to 0.00 centimeter. Thus, each count of the screw gauge is 0.0 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. Working of a screw gauge. The first step is to find the zero error of the screw gauge. Zero error. To find zero error, close the gap between the spindle and the stud of the screw gauge by rotating the ratchet in the clockwise direction. If zero of the circle scale considered with the index line, then the zero error will be zero as shown in the figure. Zero error will be positive if zero of the circular scale is behind the index line. In the case, multiply the numbers of division of the circular scale that has not crossed the index line with the least count of the screw gauge to find zero error, which is shown in the figure. Thanks for today.